Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with my actual review of the Onyx case by Ringke for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. I did do the preview the other day and I had it showing all three different cases that were available. But now that the phone is actually out, I can put the case on the phone and I can show you what it looks like, talk a little bit about the form factor, how well it fits, and some of the other features that go along with the case. So the Onyx series has been around for a while. I think the first one I ever used was on the iPhone 6 Plus, and I totally love them. Maybe it was a Note 4. Either way. So they meld really well with the phone. As you can see here, it looks kind of like a canoe look. It's got the enhanced, enlarged bezel here around the edges for the top and the bottom, so that way it hugs over the front of the screen and gives you that protection in case you set your phone down like this. It's elevated slightly off of the flat surface so that you're protecting your screen. Of course, you want to make sure you have a good screen protector, but this does give you that little extra added protection. It's bezeled on the back here too, where it opens for the cameras and also the fingerprint sensor. It's got this cool little ramp. It's kind of neat. But either way, that protects it whenever you place it flat on the ground as well. So you can pick one of these up for $9.99 on Amazon right now, which is a super steal. They go on sale a lot. I always check slickdeals.com. Periodically, Ringke has cases on sale. You can pick them up for like $4, which they had these on sale recently. But right now, this one's $9.99. It comes in this black color. It also comes in purple. So those are your two color options. It's got this brushed metal looking design. Of course, it's got the oppositional angles here for the different pattern change. So it changes things up a bit. Of course, they wouldn't be Ringke if they didn't have probably just about the best buttons in the business. The way that they're cut out and the way that they fit on the phone is just fantastic. It's also got mil-spec drop rated protection. It doesn't say how many feet, but it does have the rating. So that means that you're protected at least somewhat if you drop the phone. It's not an overly protective style case, but it is slightly bulkier than like the Air case. And of course, it has Ringke's 1-year warranty as well. And it's a traditional bumper style case. So it's not too heavy, it's not too light. It's made out of TPU. And you get the cool brushed metal look, but in the TPU resin. So it's kind of neat. It's very lightweight, and it hugs the phone really well. And it's also safe if you put a screen protector on here. As you can see, I've got a screen protector. Well, maybe you can't see. You can see the edge there. This is the Spigen Neo Flex that I put on there the other day, and it turned out really well. So if you're interested in screen protectors, check out that video because I'm really enjoying the screen protector that I got. But this case is screen protector safe, at least for the ones designed for curved screens, which of course this has. So you've got that. The buttons, they're very clicky, very responsive. You even got a nice little click sound to them if you listen. Maybe you can hear that. But anyway, you can see, like I said, it's got the raised bezels here, and then it's recessed on the back, so you get that extra protection for placing your phone down on flat surfaces. And of course, it's got over on this side, let's see if you can see that. It's got these two little cutouts so you can put in the lanyard loop. It comes with a wrist strap, and the wrist strap allows you to put it into the lanyard loop there, and you can carry it around on your wrist. So you don't have to put it in your purse or your wallet, your pocket, your backpack, however it is that you carry it. If you're out and about like a theme park or walking around the mall or somewhere we're going to be taking your phone out a lot and taking pictures or accessing it for things, it's kind of a neat little feature that they have. But anyway, that's about all I have today for the Onyx case by Ringke. Like I said, it's $9.99. You can pick it up on Amazon today, eligible for Prime 2-day shipping, and I like it a lot. Yeah, there's the cutouts too, and the cutouts are good. You can access everything, and one nice thing is you can even plug in the USB converter adapter to the bottom, and it fits just fine, which is a problem that I had with some of the other cases. So you get the good cutouts there, wide access for the 3.5mm headphone jack, and Bob's your uncle. So that's all I have again for today. This is the Ringke Onyx case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and I'll see you all next time.